Hello everyone, how are you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about the AirPods Pro and how to fix all those software related issues, and if those issues are software related or hardware related, we are going to identify that. And we are also going to talk about WWDC 2024 and new software update of AirPods coming up later next month. My name is Jay, you are watching Tech Hype. If you are new here, consider hitting that subscribe button because I keep on making these type of videos for you guys and I know you guys love these. So make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Now that you have done that, let's get right into today's video without wasting any more time. So number one thing that we are going to talk about is the rattling issue on AirPods and how do you fix it. So rattling can be caused by multiple reasons. Number one, if your AirPods have been dropped or have been submerged in water. What does this mean is if it has been submerged in water, then it is an alarming thing because most of the times when it happens, you have to get it replaced and get a new one most of the times because these AirPods are not the best at handling water. Also, sometimes this also gets caused by your sweat. A lot of times we just work out while wearing our AirPods and the sweat inside our ears go inside our AirPods, and if one of your AirPods is having this kind of issue, the rattling issue, and you know that you have not dropped it or it has never been submerged in water, it is probably your sweat, and you can remove the ear tape and clean it yourself with an earbud or just let it dry, wait for some time, and it will probably be fixed. Even then, if you are having this issue, then what you have to do is just unpair your AirPods and then pair your AirPods again. Basically reset your AirPods, and if that doesn't fix it, I have another fix for your rattling issue. You have to connect your AirPods, go in settings, go in general, and then go in software update, check for any updates if they are there, install updates on your phone, and then go in general, then about section, then wait there for some time. Also make sure when you are doing this, then you have to make sure that your AirPods are connected to your iPhone. It will basically refresh and make sure that your AirPods are updated. But 99% of the time, rattling issue is a kind of issue that is caused by hardware problems. So if you are having a lot of rattling issue, this is alarming and you should probably visit an Apple store. Then talking about noise cancellation bug. Noise cancellation is something that happens to fake AirPods. You have to make sure that the AirPods that you got are the real ones because there are a lot, and by a lot I mean a lot of fake AirPods in the market. I'll talk about a scenario with my friend that happened a couple of months back. He ordered his AirPods from Flipkart and his AirPods were working just like the real ones. It was showing all the animations. Basically, it was the first copy. He paid the price for the original AirPods, but he got a copy AirPods. Now, how do you identify that your AirPods are original or copy? You have to go in settings. Then after going in settings, you have to see if it has any serial number. In the I section, basically, as you can see on the screen, you have to go here and check if it shows all of this information. If you do not have any tech guy in your known, don't worry, I'm here for you. Do let me know down in comments below, or you can also DM me on my Twitter at @TechHyped. I will be more than happy to help you out. I will not take a lot of time for you guys to talk about all of this. There is no permanent fix for any of these issues. If you are having these kind of issues, noise cancellation not working, as I told you guys, most of the times it is fake AirPods that does not use noise cancellation and it just shows the noise cancellation button but it does not work. And trust me, it is really hard to identify fake AirPods. These guys are just too good at hiding that they are fake. 99% of the times, if noise cancellation is not working, then it is a serious issue and you should be concerned. Then talking about rattling issue, that is also a serious issue that you should be concerned about. But there have been times that rattling issue have been gotten fixed for especially me, It happened with my old pair of AirPods and it got fixed automatically. How it got fixed? I just updated my AirPods and it got fixed that way. Well, that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. This is me, Jay, aka Tech Hyped, and I am signing off. Peace out and have a great day, everyone. Also, make sure to subscribe to this channel because I will be coming up with a lot of videos this WWDC. Not to forget, we are gonna get new features to our AirPods with the new update of WWDC that will be coming to our AirPods.